In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto snapping and magnet on Capcut. If you've ever tried to make tiny, frame-accurate adjustments and your clips keep jumping to the nearest cut, marker, or playhead, that's auto snapping at work. It's useful for quick alignment, but when you need precision, turning it off makes a big difference. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share what to look for so you can edit smoothly without unwanted snapping. First, open Capcut and head into your editing workspace. You'll want to be on a project timeline where you can see your clips laid out. If you're starting fresh, that's perfectly fine. The snapping behavior appears as soon as clips are on the timeline. Next, add your videos to the timeline. Import a couple of clips or drag in the footage you're working with so you have edges and cuts to test against. Placing at least 2 clips close to each other helps you immediately spot whether snapping is on or off, because the behavior is most noticeable when you move one clip near another. Now look for the magnet icon in the timeline controls. This icon represents snapping. When it's active, moving a clip will feel like it sticks to nearby edges or the playhead. Click the magnet icon once to toggle snapping off. You should see a visual change in the icon to show it's disabled. From this point on, Capcut will stop forcing clip edges to latch onto other elements, allowing you to slide and trim with fine control. Keep in mind, this is a global toggle for the timeline, so the change applies to all clips and tracks in your project. Finally, check your videos to confirm the change. Click and drag a clip near the edge of another clip or near the playhead. Instead of snapping into place, it should glide past smoothly. You won't see the usual snapping guides, and there won't be that slight tug as you approach an edge. This is your confirmation that auto snapping and the magnet feature are turned off. Take a moment to nudge a few different clips so you can feel the difference. If you're doing precise sound or beat edits, this freedom can be really helpful. Just be mindful that with snapping off, it's easier to leave tiny gaps or overlaps by accident, so watch your clip boundaries closely. If you ever need the convenience back, simply click the magnet icon again to re-enable snapping. And that's it. You've turned off auto snapping in Capcut and verified it's working, so you can edit with accuracy and control.